So class 4, now get ready with a pencil and underline a few words which I am going to dictate to you. The first word is lovely. In the first paragraph, first line, lovely. In the first paragraph, first line, lovely. Then in the second paragraph, second line, actually. In the second paragraph, second line, actually. Then the same thing in the same second paragraph, fourth last line, remarkable. Remarkable. The first word is lovely. The meaning of lovely is प्यारा, अच्छा. The meaning of actually is हो सकना. Actually. The meaning of remarkable means good. Now what you're going to do is, first thing in your notebook, there are a few words to know on top of your page. You'll see there are words to know. The first one is braided, means plaited. Plaited मतलब आप बाल बांधते हो ना चोटी की शक्ल में, जब आप चोटियाँ बनाते हो बालों की, उसे कहते हैं प्लेटेड. ब्रेडेड. कैनिबल, समवन हु ईट्स अदर पीपल, आदमखोर इंसान जो दूसरे इंसानों को खाता है. करेज, यू कैन ओनली यूज़ वन वर्ड, ब्रेवरी. यू कैन ओनली यूज़ वन वर्ड, ब्रेवरी फॉर दैट. करेज मतलब बहादुरी. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ फ्रेकल्स. फ्रेकल्स मीन्स टाइनी स्पॉट्स like dark red color spots on your or brown color spots on your skin. Those are called freckles. So you can leave out this meaning. जो छोटे छोटे से आपको चेहरे पर हल्के हल्के से ब्राउन कलर के धब्बे होते हैं, स्पॉट्स होते हैं या रेड कलर के स्पॉट्स होते हैं, तो वो फ्रेकल्स कहलाते हैं. ओके, यू कैन लीव दिस मीनिंग आउट. रिमार्केबल, समथिंग वर्थ नोटिसिंग, यानी अच्छा, जिसे आप एक से दूसरी बार देखते हो. साइड वॉक, पेवमेंट, यानी आप जब फुटपाथ कहते हैं ना, रोड की साइड पे जो फुटपाथ बना होता है जिस पे लोग चल रहे होते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड साइड वॉक. स्टॉकिंग्स, स्टॉकिंग्स मीन्स लॉन्ग सॉक्स, बड़े वाले सॉक्स जो नीज तक होते हैं और कभी कभी उस शक्ल में होते हैं, टाइट्स की शक्ल में. So they are called stockings, long socks. So you are going to copy out these word meanings in your notebook under the heading of words to know. Fine. After that, you are going to copy out these words which I have underlined for you. Lovely, actually, remarkable. These three words you are going to write sentences or make sentences of these three words. You are going to make sentences from these three words, okay, under the heading of word sentences. Then when you turn to page number 5, answer the following questions. Question number A, what was the name of Pippi's house? The answer for that question is in your second paragraph, first line. No, sorry, first paragraph, first line. So you can answer this by yourself, okay. The second question B, what were Tommy and Anika thinking while standing by their gate? The answer for this I am dictating to you and you are going to write it in your notebook, okay, under the heading of question answers. The first one you are going to answer by yourself. The second one I am dictating the answer to you. Tommy and Anika were thinking Tommy and Anika were thinking if the day was going to be dull or exciting. Tommy and Anika were thinking if the day was going to be dull or exciting. So these two question answers you're going to copy out under the heading of question and answers. Fine. So this is your work for today. First, you're going to copy out the words to know. Second, you are going to write word sentences, the 3 words which I have given you. And the third is you're going to write 2 question answers, A and B. So see you for the next time. Allah Hafiz.